there, everyone. This is the second to last video of the evening. So now we've looked at different types of questions. We did some reading last week. We did some reading this week. We've looked at some student work, identified the type of strategy. Now it's going to be your turn. So everybody is going to be assigned a piece of work, which I will show you in a moment. And for each piece of work, I want you to try and ask an eliciting question, a clarifying question, a supporting question, and an extending question. Remember, the more specific you are with your noticing, the easier this is going to be. You want to ask authentic, specific questions. So this is the work that we engaged in, this problem about the playground. We did this work where I modeled how to ask those questions for you. Now you have an assigned piece of work, one piece of work for each of you. We have 2 Jamboards because you can max out at 20 on a Jamboard. If your last name begins with A through KH, you are going to one Jamboard. And if your last name is KI to Z, you are going to the other Jamboard. Let me show you. Here is the first Jamboard. I've put your last name in an orange Post-it at the top of the page. So this person is only going to engage with this piece of work. Then another person does the next piece. So you're going to be looking for your orange Post-it at the top by last name. Okay? So everybody has one on this Jamboard. And then we have another Jamboard for names KI through Z. And once again, the names are in orange on the left. And I've color-coded the question types on the right. So you can use a text box to enter your ideas, or you can put them on a Post-it. It's going to be entirely up to you how you want to do that. All right. So you're going to finish that, and that is a large part of your attendance work this evening. And then when it gets close to our week 7 class, you might want to take a little gallery sit and look at some of the questions that your colleagues have created. I have also put those Jamboards for you into the modules because they're pretty significant. So you see here, if you click on it in Canvas, it doesn't work. So you have to go and click on this little arrow, and then it takes you there. Okay? I hope you have fun with this task. Remember, we're going to be working on this all semester. So this is just your first dip in the water, but this is one of the most important parts of your practice. So have fun.